Hello Achievers, welcome you all to Strategy Sangamam in the segment of Manage the World of Management. How are you all? We all fine. I think we are meeting in this segment after a very long time, and in our today's video we are going to discuss about the very important and the very interesting topic of management. But the thing is, not from the subject point of view, we are just grasping the topic alone, and we are going to discuss here with one live and simple example for easy understanding, like how this particular strategy or this particular concept can be used in our day-to-day life. The simple thing which we might already used, and try to use in this form to do whatever the work you are doing, and definitely you will have a good result out of it. And watch this, what we are going to see now. Let's see. And we are going to discuss about the important management concept and how it is going to be very useful one for our personal life or maybe our business activity or whatever it is. If you are trying to implement this particular strategy or particular concept, definitely your end result will be in a very positive and in a very good manner. So let's see about this particular topic with two live examples. So we can take one example for our personal, that is maybe family related one example, and another one is from the business point of view. So wherever it is, we can implement this concept in a very easiest and the simplest way to have a good result. And for the house requirement, we are going to take, that is the personal requirement, we are going to take one example called the housewarming function. And the another one is for the business purpose. Imagine you are going to launch a new product. So during that launch, you will have a press meet. So these are all the two examples we are going to take and going to have a discussion with the present, that is today's topic. So this topic is commonly called as POSTCORB, that is POSDCORB. This is the abbreviation of a term. We are going to discuss each and everything in detail. If you are using this terminology, because we already know in our introduction video, I have given you a hint about this POSTCORB. It is the functions of management. Without these things, we cannot run anything. So we are of course, management is playing a very important role in our day-to-day life, that can be personal or maybe official, and in such a way how this management function will be helpful for us to perform the work in a very easiest manner. So let's see the points in a detailed manner. P stands for planning, O is for organizing, and S stands for staffing, D stands for directing, and CO, that is here I mentioned that square. Don't get confused. In different situation, people will be using this CO in a different aspect. So according to me, these two is important, and also we can add one more CO, that is cooperation. Here the coordinating is there, controlling is there, and another one is cooperation. So all this thing we can tell it as plus one, like CO cube also we can tell, and then the last two is reporting, and finally the budgeting. Imagine the first one is the housewarming function. Maybe after 2 weeks you are going to celebrate that housewarming function. If you are going to getting ready for that, try with these strategies. Like before starting any work, planning is very much important, right? So have a proper planning of what you are going to do for that particular function, like how many invitees, then what is the other thing you need, like another decoration work or some other arrangements or photography or catering, and so many other things will be there for every function. And also for the management, like that is the business meet, you have to think everything clearly to bring all the items. So for the reason you are doing the planning work, so thinking in advance before doing any activity, we have to make a proper planning, like all the WH we can tell, like in management we already discussed what to do, when to do, how to do, where to do, why to do. All this thing will be then by whom it will be done. All this thing you have to bring together. So that is what the planning is. And the next is organizing, bringing the things together. So once after planning, you will be get to know what are all the things required to perform that particular task. Some maybe equipments or maybe some of the resources that can be done by yourself internally, or maybe you can do it by outsourcing. So you have to bring everything together. That is called organizing. And the third one is staffing. Definitely for both the examples, not possible to do by one person. Maybe two persons or more than like a number of persons will be engaging to complete that work. Example, like or 4 or 5 members are there in your home to take care of the function. Imagine you have to assign the work to each and every people. Like staffing in the sense, you have so many works, right? Like giving to catering and assigning for decoration and purchase department. Like you need so many things to purchase for your function, so you have to assign one person for purchasing the requirements. And finally for catering or like whatever the work you have, everything you will be listing in the planning itself. So you have to assign the person for each and every activity. So the ditto same for the business management meet. So for the press meet, maybe 4 people are working for that arrangement. Means who is going to do the MOC, who is going to do the stage decoration, and then who is doing the photography, and who is receiving the guest. Likewise, you have so many works, you have to assign the people for each and every work. So once after staffing, that is assigning the person, you have to go with the directing. So directing in the sense, every field of work or in every situation, there will be some person who is well versed or who is very experienced with that particular thing. So in organization point of view, the senior manager will be the person who is knowing everything, or maybe the CEO of the company. And for the personal purpose, our grandparents or maybe some of the elder people who know all about that housewarming function. So that particular person have to take care of this directing work, that he or she will be taking care of that work, like how, in which way we are doing, or in what way we have to do, and whether we are going it in a proper way, or what to do next, or what to do parallelly. Likewise, every guidance will be given by that person. That is, this directing means guiding the team of people to perform that particular work. And the another important thing, that as we discussed, this CO, that is coordinating, controlling, and the cooperation. Each and every individual should have a cooperation with each other to have the result positively. And also there should be some control while doing that work, by not deviating from the actual plan, and the coordinating, making things coordinatingly, like doing together or performing in a supportive manner. And all this thing is required for doing any work. And reporting, like kind of communication, you have to communicate to some person at one cost, or like one situation or another situation. So here we have an example, like that press meet. For the press meet, one team, that is the MOC team, is in need of some projector support. So that activity will be taken care by some electronics and electrical work engineer or some other people. So they have to communicate to that person, or maybe the person who is the overall in charge should get to know what is the requirement of that MOC department. Likewise for the housewarming function. So something is needed for the decoration purpose to be purchased by yourself. So you have to communicate, that is, as a person who is taking care of the decoration work, have to convey that message to the purchase department people. Then only they can include that item in their list while purchasing. So automatically your time will be saved, as well as the work will be going in a proper manner. So you need to report to each other, like you need to communicate to each other. So simple tips is, you can have a small meetings at the end of every day. Imagine after 15 days you are going to have that the function is about to held, means you have to conduct a simple small meeting, or the communication forum you need to have. Nowadays we all have WhatsApp and all the other thing. You can create a group in that. At the end of day 1, what are all the things done and what to be done in the next day and in the future. Likewise, you have to make everything in a proper reporting manner. That is the communication you have to do immediately and whenever required, and in a continuous manner. And the last and the very most important thing is the budgeting, that is the financial planning. Whatever the work we are doing, that can be formal, casual, or anything else, planning, that is the financial planning, budgeting is playing a very important role. So we have to plan from the beginning till end, what is the amount we need for that successful completion of that housewarming function, or maybe that product launch and press meet. We have to bring all the thing in our mind to have the budget, that is the financial planning. So whatever the work, if you are trying to do your work with using these strategies, that is this functions of management, definitely the end result will be hitting in a very positive manner. And also one small tips, that is from my personal viewpoint, whatever the work you are doing or whatever the activity you are doing, we have so many technologies and we have so many gadgets in hand to do all the thing. If you are having a paperwork, that is some manual work or some kind of note or something, definitely that will help you to perform your work without any deviation. Instead of these technologies, definitely that sheet of paper or maybe that diary work will definitely help you to make your work easy. So this is my personal opinion, I used to do. And also in a few days we are going to have our kids' birthday. The same thing we are using like this strategy and making arrangements for our kids' birthday. So this is all a simple thing, and we all know management is everywhere. So that's all about today's discussion. Hope this content will be very useful for you. If you are trying to use this in any of the required occasion, let us know in the comment box how well it got works for you and in what way you utilize these things, and mention if you have any other strategies while doing some of the function or activity. Share with us, even that will be helpful for our friends also. And before the closing of the video, we have one important thing. We are going to show you an image in the end of our today's video. Just see a glance of it and mention what you felt of seeing that image or what you can observe by seeing that image, and mention that in the comment box. So we are going to discuss about that particular thing and particular image as soon as you are giving the immediate results. We will be waiting for your answers in the comment box, and also you can mail it to the ID which we have given in the about page. Don't forget to observe that image and mention what you felt and what you are observing in that. And hope you all like this video. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to our channel Strategy Sangamam. Like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the future notification. See you all soon in our next video. Definitely that will be an interesting one. And manage the management, and the management will manage you. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
Hope you all observing this image. Let us know in comment box and to the mail ID what comes first to your mind and your eyes while seeing this image. See you all soon. Bye.